Welcome back to another Bitcoin update. It is the 5th of December and Bitcoin has rejected this long-term trend line again, which is annoying. I was kind of hoping it was going to bust through this time around, and it still could. We could still have a reversal from here, but this is a pretty strong trend line. It goes back to the low, November 2022, and so it is a valid one, and I know a lot of people are keeping a track of this one. I also drew this level of resistance as well, and this one you can move up and down a little bit. It's a range, as I keep explaining. It's not just okay, if it breaks this then it's bullish, because it kind of did, but then it was an area of resistance. So all this area here is legitimate resistance, so I'm just going to keep that there. I've just moved it a little bit, and I'm going to delete this because I drew this when Bitcoin first broke this trend line. I said, look, what's probably going to happen is it will take a bit of time. It's going to retest it and come back down, and that's exactly what happened. So that's a normal move, and it has retested it again, and so it is concerning. I'm just going to tidy this chart up a little bit, and it could still break through. We could do something like that, which would be quite cool. I'd be happy with that kind of move, but we are on a downtrend, and people ask me, should I be buying Bitcoin at these prices? Well, it depends. And I'm going to say the same thing I said now and the same thing I said back in when the price was over here, 20 grand. I said, if you can wait and hold, you will win. Pretty much guaranteed, the way the mathematics of the system works. But you're going to go through some pain. Like if you bought here at 31k, it would have gone down to 25, and but that was only like temporarily. Now it's a bit more dangerous in the sense that yeah, it will go back up, but you might have to wait a year. You might have to wait 2 years. It's not that it's unlikely. It's not likely that it's going to pump up next week. So now you're effectively buying Bitcoin at a guaranteed discount, because it has hit 125k before, and it will hit 125k again, make no mistake. And so the question you need to ask yourself, do I have money that I can just park and hold? If you have, I would say, yeah, you're getting Bitcoin at a discount. The price could go down. That's a very real possibility. I'm eyeing up this level here. I've got this chart here. And yeah, I'm tracking this. We're in a downtrend. I keep saying it. There's no denying it. Like, we are in a downtrend, and that's okay. Bitcoin can't continually be in an uptrend. And we've been in an uptrend for like 3 years almost. And so I'm really eyeing this level here. And we might not hit it. We might just zoom off from here. But I am being very cautious, because this kind of move here, which we're seeing after a big drop, it's some kind of rising channel. We had this over here as well after the last drop in 2021. Over here. So I'm being cautious. I'm a trader, I understand the market, so I'm looking for a good entry point. And I might be wrong, and that's okay. And so me personally, I'll probably be scaling in, but in anticipation of further falling. We just got to take it step by step. I'm really, like I said a few videos ago, I'm waiting for this trend line to be broken, which is around about right now it's about the 97k mark. And if that breaks and stays above it, then that's a good time to YOLO back in. But, that's me. Because I would rather buy at a discount and then buy now, and then the price drops and then it goes back up again. Because that will happen. But everyone's got their own strategy. And my strategy does change. And so my main strategy is this one here. Might indicate this is the one I share with my clients, my one-on-one clients. And so when this flips back, and that's when, yeah, I'll be 100% back in the market. But for now, just taking it easy.